Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov said that the armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. He reported that the enemy suffers considerable losses. From the latest operation, high-precision long-range sea-based weapon destroyed the command post of Khortytsa Operational Strategy Groups near Dnipropetrovsk. Over the past 24 hours, high-precision attack launched by the Russian Aerospace Forces at the command post of 123rd Territorial Defense Brigade, the location of the foreign mercenaries in Nikolaev, as well as the munitions depots of the 79th Air Assault Brigade in Shevchenkov, Nikolaev region have resulted in elimination over 20 Ukrainian servicemen and over 80 foreign militants, 6 armored and motor vehicles, over 1,000 artillery projectiles, 300 mortar projectiles. 2 professional bases of 113th Territorial Defense Brigade with up to 140 accommodate servicemen have been destroyed in Kharkov. Neutralization of the position of armed forces of Ukraine near Berestovoye and Adveyevka Donetsk People Republic has resulted in over 50% of mortal losses in the units of 14th Mechanized and 56th Mechanized Infantry Brigades. These units have been withdrawn to the rare area of replenishing their combat capacities. Due to the high losses and inadequate supply of 34th Battalion from 57th Mechanized Infantry Brigade, 13 servicemen, including officers, have abandoned their position.